Hi friends, my name is Aidan Conway and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are testing out the dumbest, most ridiculous, stupidest 5-minute crafts makeup hacks. There's no more introduction needed. Let's get into hack number 1. Okay, before we begin, take a look at how ugly that color is. There is no pigment in there whatsoever. This is why these crafts are dumb. Okay, this is bringing us to our Taste of Home book. I'm gonna really put this to the test and I'm using, oh, what is this? Goodbye. Woo! That didn't work. Anyways, all right, and I'm going to use this little book here and we're using a dark color because I really wanna see if this is gonna work. And if this wrecks my deodorant, I will cry. All right, let's go in this little corner over here. Okay. Let's rub. Let's look. Nothing. Nothing is transferring right now. Nothing. Ugh. Not a single thing. It's like this doesn't even work. Ugh. Hello. Look at this. Nothing. I mean, this wasn't even not pigmented. There was not a single thing that came off. Okay, this is gonna be a rough video. All right, so that was gone. That's goodbye. That was a big fail. We are 1 in. Fail. F-A-I-L. I think it's gonna be the other way. Fail. Cool. Next one. Moving on. Really? I mean, all right. What is going on? All right, so the hack is with the spoon. Give me a minute. I have to get a spoon. Should I be like our 5-minute crafts? Oh my gosh! What? What? Oh my gosh! But not gonna lie to you guys, I think that 5-minute crafts really hit the nail on the head with this one because, you know, every single time I try and trace my eyebrows, I go and I begin and then all of a sudden I shove the thing straight into my hairline. What? Who does that? No one goes, pew! That does not happen in the world, okay? What is that? Anyways, all right, let's just see if this works. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So, oh, we should be able to go like this and have the perfect. That looks crazy. I hope you know that looks crazy. Do you see this right now? Whose eyeball is shaped like that? No one's. Final opinions? Why? Why would you do this? It's not the shape of my eyebrow. It is not. I mean, sure, maybe someone's eyebrow shaped like that, in which case, great. I'm happy that this hack works for you. But for 94% of the world's population, the end of your spoon is not gonna be shaped like the end of my eyebrow, okay? So for me, this was a fail. If the end of your eyebrow and the end of your spoon matched up perfectly, sure, maybe go for it. However, my question is, why wouldn't you just figure out how to do it correctly so you didn't have to haul out a whole spoon every single time you wanted to do this? All right, next one. This has to be a joke. They cannot be serious with this. Are they genuinely serious with this? I mean, if they are, we're dealing with extreme. I have to get a sheet of paper now. Give me a minute. Okay. So they ripped this piece. Whoa. Okay, we don't need all that. What? Oh. What a heck? No.
One eternity later.
Yes, Queen, skinny legend Versace boots the house down. Slay Queen.
Ugh. What was the nastiest thing I've done all day? Absolutely not. That is a big fail. I hope that was a joke. Please tell me that was a joke. And if it's not a joke, that is very concerning and I'm going to cry. So, don't do that. Don't shove paper in your teeth. That was the most unenjoyable experience I might have ever endured. All right, moving on. Next hack, fail. No, why would you do this in the first place? Just apply your product like they're meant to be applied. I don't know why it's so difficult to be normal. Cling wrap. All right. I'm going to tape this because I don't want to hold it. So I'm going to tape it. That. Turn this around and stamp it. Oh, wow. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. It's so stunning. Look. I know, how beautiful. Isn't it stunning? Why would you do this? Where? Why? When is this a good idea? What did this help you accomplish? Also, the editors of 5 Minute Crafts need a raise because they have mastered the art of deceptive transitions to make everyone think that it's real, because she just stamped on this random piece of bright red lipstick and then peeled it off to reveal this like gorgeous lip. Babes, I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, let's be real with ourselves. That's not how this is gonna work. Next hack, that was a fail. Hurting the ocean now. Like 5 Minute Crafts, why are they hurting the... All right, cool, moving on. We got our seashell and we have our little baggie and we're using this. Woo! This is gonna be a lot harder than I think it is. How do I do this? Oh my gosh, I'm currently outside and all of my neighbors are staring at me. And, you know, we have our beautiful lips and our beautiful eyes because, you know, 5 Minute Crafts is here to make us look beautiful, right? All right, anyway, smashing it. That is so loud. Oh, my God. There we go. So, here's our thing, and our seashells are going in. This is going to be so loud. Like, slamming my eardrums out loud.
Many months later.
Okay. Instead of just like, you know, going to Walmart and just buying like a really cheap powder that's probably like $4, you know, just like blend out a bunch of your seashells. I mean, why not? Also, this brush is not grabbing any of this. Like literally, this is a struggle. Let's see if this mattifies anything. There is like no difference. All it did was make everything dirty. That is literally all it did, was make everything dirty. This is like, what, DIY setting powder? Why would you want to set this face in place with all their failed hacks? Miss Girl, no. Don't do this. Just go to Walmart and buy cheap setting powder. Even the cheapest one is going to function a lot better than putting ground up seashells on your face. Okay? Okay, now that that's out of the way, we have one last hack. See how we're going to torture ourselves next, shall we? I love how she's saying this like her mouth is like open, like she just like broke the lottery. Like, Miss Girl, your arm is orange. Orange, that is not a cute tan shade, okay? I'm here to tell you. All right, let's get our coffee out. I don't have any shoots for the next 2 weeks, so if this stains, we'll be okay. No. All I can tell is that there might be a little bit of a difference, but no. Go again. Cheap places. I mean, Target sells DIY self-tan. Don't cover yourself in coffee. The only thing that changed is that now I smell like I just bathed at Starbucks. This is my problem. I just was filming for an hour and a half, an hour and 23 minutes to be exact. And I just did 6 hacks in that time. Do your makeup, learn how to do it, put the time in to figure out how to do it correctly. It's terrible, terrible. And now there's a disaster all around me I get to clean up. That is the end of today's video. I hope that you had a super smashingly good time because I know I did. I will see all of you guys next week. Your love and support really means the world to me. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.